Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one project which I have completed, which is a revenue prediction project in data science and machine learning. I will explain you some basics things what I have done in this project and how I have completed basics things from the Excel, from importing the Excel, importing different kinds of libraries and all those things. So let us start for the video. You can see this is a Jupyter notebook which you can install in your laptop and from Anaconda software, and you can start from here. Like this interface will be like this. So I have already installed this. So for installation part you can watch my another video. We are going to make another video on Jupyter Anaconda or Jupyter notebook installation. So I have opened this file which I have completed. What I have done over here, import numpy as numpy, np. I have imported numpy, I have imported pandas, I have imported matplotlib dot pyplot for the purpose of the plotting the graphs, and seaborn, this is also used for uh, plotting the graphs, and later on we will see the use of this in detail, these libraries. First of all, we will make overview what we have done in this project. I have imported this revenue prediction file, as this is the command to import, and I have stored this file in the data named df. You can see over here I have mentioned over here df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Whatever file name is there, you can import this file like this dot csv. This is the extension of the file, as this is the csv file. Prior to importing this file over here, I have uh, uploaded this revenue prediction file over here, and after that I have imported this file over here. So after importing, if you we want to see the overall data, that file is imported or not, how that file looks like, what which columns and rows are present over here, you can just type df over here in Jupyter and press enter. After hitting enter button, sorry, for running you can enter shift enter button. After entering shift enter, we'll see all this data. If you have imported this file, this data is seen, means you have imported this file successfully. Now we will see next command. Today we are going to see just the basics command, df dot head. We can see first 5 records over here, just like this, starting from 0 1 2 3 4. First 5 records are seen over here with this command df dot head function. Okay. Next is a df.tel. Df means where we have stored our Excel file data. You can name as per your convenience, as you want to name this df or data or revenue data or anything. Dot tail, this is the function. With this function, what we can do, uh, head function, head function takes first 5 records, and the tail function takes last 5 records. This question can be asked in the interview many times, as per the feedback from the candidates. We have seen that these kinds of basic questions are asked in the interview for the data science career. df.info, in this we can take all the info and all the information from the Excel, what is present over there, which data type is present over there, int, object or float, which data type is present over here. And the next we can see what we have used here, df dot describe. Describe function gives us the total count, mean, standard, variance, and all those things we can see from over here. And df dot shape, what that gives, This gives the shape of your Excel file. This is 100 rows, 8 columns and all. Okay, now df dot columns, and we have what we have done over here, df dot original dot sum function. What this does, this gives you all the count of the null values present in the data. Okay, zero null values present over here, which I have worked on this project already. Df dot columns, which columns are present in your Excel data. For visualization, I have made this small code for column name in column. If data df dot column data is not equal to object, then this and all this you can see this in later on. And we have plot this data over here where object is not there. This plot you can see. Okay, this is x label, y label, you can name as per your convenience. And this is the plt dot show function is used to show the graph. Okay, this blocks plot function, which is used to check the outliers. What are the outliers, and what how can we check these outliers, how can we remove these outliers. This shows that there this round circle shows the outlier is present in our data. Later on we are going to see all this in details, how we can remove these outliers and which is the coding used to remove these outliers and all those things. You can see this, we are going to see this code in the detail. Just this is an overview and the basic things to check before working on or before applying the linear regression algorithm or logistic algorithm, how data is made clean. This is the just overview for that. After removing outliers, I have used this code again. Okay, you can see these outliers are being removed or not. So you can see that outliers, I am not seeing anything over here. That means that my data is clean and now that is ready to implement the algorithm. The correlation function I have seen over here. Heat map is used to check the relation between the data. What is the relation between this revenue, and revenue is direct relation. Revenue and order place 0.95, 0.91. You can check correlation with the help of this also. This code which how used to fit, if you are having numerical data or any numerical is there, we are not able to print the graph of those data, so we require integer for that. This fit function is used. Next, what I have used df. See, after using this fit function, all this data is converted in numerical form. All these things we are going to see later on. Keep watching my videos for this. Next video will be released soon on this, and see the various function here I have implemented. And next thing, see x is equal to, we are dropping this revenue column over here because we have to keep that column in prediction. What is our heading? What is our heading for this revenue prediction? As per the past data, whatever company has provided or whatever our client has provided, as per that past data, we are going to predict the future data. This revenue column we have to predict. So we are dropping this column from x. X is equal to df dot drop columns is equal to revenue, means all the columns are stored in this except this revenue column. Now we are checking x. Enter x over here in this Jupyter notebook. You will see that revenue column is dropped over here. Now this revenue column we are storing in y for the prediction. Y is equal to df square bracket, you can use in single inverted comma revenue. Df dot revenue also you can use that, means that meaning is same for that. Y I have checked check over here. If you can see only one column is therein. I'm starting to implement the algorithm over here. I have imported sk.linear model, import linear regression. This is the code for that. We are splitting the data in train, test, and split. Okay, some of the percentage we are keeping for training, some of the percentage we are keeping for the testing. Okay, what is the training size over here? 0.8 means 80% of the overall data. X train, you can see this is the data. For X test we are keeping this, Y train, Y test, and this is the model. LR is equal to, you can name as per your convenience over here. I am naming that model as a linear regression. LR is equal to linear regression function. LR dot fit X train Y train. Okay, you can see this. Now we are going after implementing y is equal to LR dot fit difference between actual and predicted values. This is a just sample. This depends upon how you have clean the data and how you have implemented. You can see the errors. This is how this R2 score matrix is used. This video is gonna very long in discussion, so that I am trying to make this video as a short video. We can plot this graph, actual and predicted values. How these values are seen, you can see from this. You can predict your company's revenue prediction depending upon the past data and all those things. So thank you for watching my video. We are stopping over here. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel for videos like this. In future we are going to make videos on the data science, linear regression model, logistic regression model, and all those things in technical. Also we are working on cyber security videos, technology videos, different kind of technologies, how these are implemented, security kind of technologies. We are starting new videos on Flutter also. Please keep watching my videos, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.